Hey guys, I just wanted to let y'all hear something. This right here is a 975. It's got Gen 2 cams in it, intake, STM, all the bells and whistles. Which it's got a muzzy exhaust on it. I'll let you hear it. It's also got a tune monster on it also. Like I said, it's got a tune monster on it. Alright, this is my foiler. It's got a tune monster on it also. Gen 2 cams. It's got all the bells and whistles and everything. 1004 cc, so it's a bigger motor than that. But it has different programming on it. Listen to this thing. Mine should be hitting a whole lot harder than that. Yep, it sounds basically like a stock foiler. It's amazing what the tune monster can do if you just change some settings on it. If it sounded different when it cranked up, this foiler actually cranks on 24 volts, so it spins over a whole hell of a lot faster than the 975 over there. But anyways, I just wanted y'all to hear the difference in the exhaust and how the motor is much smoother with some new software that should be coming out here pretty soon. Thank you guys.